How can your manufacturing company uncover trends and gain business insight from the data you already have? How do you keep your employees informed of company, department, and even work center performance? With the Lojic Dashboards platform, you can keep your company in the know with up-to-the-minute dashboards and data analytics. Design and build dashboards with the Advanced Dashboard Template Designer. Running advanced queries, filtering, and sorting data is a snap with the Data Wizard, Query Builder, and Widget Designers. Sharing your dashboards is easy and in sync. Rather than emailing around spreadsheets, you can view dashboards in real time with simple link sharing. Keep your business data secure and accessible with built-in user accounts or even Active Directory authentication. With the Lojic Dashboards player, it's never been easier to deploy real-time analytics to large format displays and screens on the shop floor. Filter, summarize, visualize, and analyze your data in real time. With the built-in widgets and filters, you'll quickly find the data that affects your company the most. So rather than guessing the problems in your manufacturing company or not knowing them until it's too late, Lojic Dashboards provides you with real-time business intelligence and dashboards to keep your company informed. You'll realize this is the way business data should be.